All right, guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So there's 2 minutes to the opening bell, and I'm severely late today. Do I even? Okay, I guess I can write up at least 3 stocks I'm watching. There's a bunch of them. There's NUKK. There's PLRZ. PLRZ. There's CGTX and LITM. These are just a few. The list is so long today that the list is like extremely long today. So I'm just gonna post the top couple and then get ready for the open. I actually don't have any of my trend lines, so I'm kind of coming in at a bit of a disadvantage here, which isn't great, but we'll get it done, especially after yesterday's recap. We know what we need to do to be better, so it's a matter of being disciplined in the moment, understanding what we have to do, and making the adjustments. Nothing more, nothing less. And, I didn't say this towards the end of the recap. I think I might have mentioned it at some point earlier in the video, but, the future is pretty bright. And as long as we continue to be disciplined and patient and work towards being better and improving, then for sure the front, let's say the back half of our trading career will be way more fruitful. So definitely looking forward to the opportunities. There's a lot of stocks. I'm not sure which ones are going to be the best right away, but we'll see how it goes. Small size first, and I'll take it from there. Watching NUKK continuation and LITM, which is a 200% cheaper stock. We'll see how that does. All right, let's trade to the best of our abilities. For those of you who are tuning in on YouTube, let me change the screen. Okay, are we good? Yeah, I think we're good. And let's have a good session here today. Let's trade to the best of our abilities. Good fill.
APTV.
Fair move. I might have gotten a terrible fill coming out though. Sellers at 19. Can we hold? Can we break, rather? Okay. Bro. Okay. The halt's at 2069. We might see a big pullback at some point here. That is so disrespectful. What a start. The low there, 1880. Can't forget with this stock, the fills you get on the ask. The halt up is at 2114. Here it is. It might get locked in. Fall. That's close. Okay, it's locked in. I don't know how I didn't make money going up, but I got I got in on the dip a little high, got chopped out, got filled the ask. Plus, it pulled back below the whole dollar. Tried buying for about 18, got filled at 40. We broke below the whole dollar to about 80. So I kind of got a 50-cent loss in the spreads, but I thought I made more than 50 cents going up. All right, I'm gonna check out some of the other ones. Why is that? PRZO, perhaps. There's something here. Is this the right one? Oh, what am I doing? CGTX. Why is this on the wrong thing here? Kind of chasing CGTX a little here to halt at 32.
PLRC.
PRZO, checking it out. It is below VWAP here, but let's see. $37.09 for resumption and UKK. Less than a minute to resumption. $21.14.
NUKK.
Looks like I got some slippage there. Salting down.
NUKK.
LITM, perhaps we're at the green here. $49.3. 48. PRCO, how are we doing? PRCO is moving up. There's a bid here. Tight stop. And that order is filled. High 60. Well, LITM did move up here. Hold on. I think I might trade this one instead.
PLRZ.
51.96. There's 52.3. Come on. Trying 52. There's a spread here, but trying. Bro. The moment I tried putting my order on the ask, it just got obliterated. Perhaps it's rejecting here. Yeah, NUKK on the way up, man. That was kind of ridiculous. PRCO still, seems like it's holding up. But I want to do a quick rotation here throughout everything that I have on the list. Then I'll check the chat as well. LITM is still hanging around here, so maybe the candle does curl back up. The 5-minute candle's young, so we'll see.
LBGJ.
NUKK 42, so there's less than a minute, but it's halting down, of course. PLRZ, which is a stock I haven't been looking at. I think this one was even halted at one point. Probably should have pulled it up sooner. 26 to 85.
NUKK.
Can we continue over 9? Over 90? Not quite. Rejection. At least it's fighting here, though it didn't sell all the way off. Just waiting. Should have pulled this one up way sooner. I heard the call out when it was halted from the scanner, but watching some of the others.
XCH.
Alt up is at 32. There it is.
VOXX. APLN. CGTX.
I'm gonna try to re-average. If I can here. And I gotta be careful of the 5-minute pullback. This was definitely the stock to be watching the entire time. And UKK was good until the halt up, but seems like this one here. Does it have what it takes for the new high again?
LBGJ.
Nope, it does not. And there's a massive bid at 13. Oh, they're walking up the ladder. That's a pretty bullish sign. Oh, it got filled. It held though. Oh, this is a terrible trade. Fucked. I'm a little slow to get back in there. Oh, not great, not great. Dip, dip, dip. Man, what a botch sequence that was. And it is selling off. Not good. False breakout. Backside? Maybe. Well, it was worth the shot with size. We didn't quite get up to 5, but it was a good attempt.
LEV. XCH.
That could have been so much better. Alright, we'll see how this one does. Is there anything else?
XCH.
And UKK. Not a bad move there. I'm pretty late to this stock too is a big problem. Like, I should have been here since the first halt up. I wasn't. I ignored it. And I'm a little late to the show.
VOXX. CGTL. CGTX.
When we filled that 100K bid, I had shares right on top of the buyer. So the entire order filled, I sold. It didn't drop, and I was just too slow to get back in. And UKK halting up. And UKK halting up close to high of day. But false halt. False halt. Fuck's sakes, bro. My god, I'm getting cooked. It's going back to low of day. Oh my gosh. Trying to dip again. Bro. Nah, 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 nah. Alright, hold up, hold up. Let the pastor activate his bag here. There's no way. Bro, this thing just dropped down to $4 a share. What the heck? Alright, PLRZ. What are we doing? And this one is also selling off.
EXOD.
Well, I'm down 3K here, which isn't great. 2,700 to start the day. Time 52. Still a little early, but it's definitely a serious type of deficit. Got blazed on NUKK just now. From halting up at high of day to back to low of day. All within one candlestick.
CANG.
VSTE, not much here. TCBP, not much. PLRZ. Again, I'm just a little late to this one. We'll see if it does try again later. I think I might have had some good size slippage. On this move down here, this big red candle. I took 8,000 shares, 60. Didn't work out well. And UKK, we'll see. This is ridiculous, man. This stock, I like that it's after pulling back there, it's still holding up. The 5-minute candle could come and make the new high. So this PLRZ still looks pretty bullish here. And NUKK is right back at the highs. So what do you know? What do you know?
XCH. NVNR. XCH. APLN.
I'd like NUKK if it gets halted up here again. I'll try it again. Oh, fill me. Oh, no. Oh my God. All right, that was an extra position I didn't want. All right. I'm going to watch the 5-minute setup here. The only thing that I'm watching at is that we are a little far away from view up, but trying at the double bottom area with a tight stop to see if it'll hold up and then over time retake the whole dollar. I meant to scale in 2K size. I bought 3K by accident. So selling the one early position. Tried to cancel my limit order and just hit market, but in the moment of canceling it got filled and then I still hit market. It's kind of a tricky path there. So NUKK, good job here if it gets halted up. I think it looks pretty bullish. False halt. I think it's a false halt again. Can we get locked in? NUKK, can we get locked in? And it is locked in. All right, I'm red 3K. This is where the day is going to start. A little bit of red to wake me up. Now it's time. And UKK resumption should be a nice way to set the tone here to get back to green. Gotta float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Quick and clean trades over the highs. I can already see green coming. El Pastor. Not going down so easily.
CANG.
El Pastor. We'll be ready. Now, the only thing is that this is a 5-minute setup. So I'll be in this trade for some time. So I gotta hope, there's not too much conflicting, if you guys see what I'm saying here, because I'll have to watch that resumption closely to make sure I get some good entries. I'm gonna take something here, just 5, and I'll hold the rest. All right. How do I want to configure my screens? Let's just put 1K here. And then, all right, so here's my target, selling some more. And let's see if it keeps going for the rest of the position. Perhaps we can get a few scalp trades here if it works out well. Okay, good stuff, good stuff.
EXOD.
The 5-minute candle to make the new high is at 38.
NVNO.
Ah, come on.
NVNO.
Crap. Dang, it held high. It held high. It held high. I'm gonna try an entry here, tight stop. Can we see over 25 for that retest? Oh, and it's right back down. Look at that. What's the resumption? A minute? I was gonna scale into my pullback to the pullback trade here. As long as this doesn't go back to low of day, like, can we hold up our levels? Time 2:02 for resumption, 02 in 10 seconds. It's almost here, and I'll trade it off screen. It's at 21.29 and UKK. PLRC. Let's pull this one over here and UKK. Boom. Boom, boom. Just in case I gotta go Super Saiyan here because I'm willing to. As long as they give me some good freaking fills. 21.29. 10 seconds and UKK. 21.29. Come on.
NUKK.
Taking a dip. And the dip not bouncing. halt. It might halt down.
CGTL.
It might halt down. What's it gonna be? And UKK. Got to be a little quicker. 2278 halting up. All right, now the day is really starting. There we go. And UKK. Our 3K loss is now a 1K loss. And we're fighting our way back to victory here. And UKK halting up at new highs today.
NUKK.
Today my name is going to be High Stakes Trading. High stakes trading with this next resumption here. It looked like it was going to halt down. The halt down moved lower.
HTL.
And I didn't buy the moment it started to move up, or else I could have caught it since it like 2040, 2050 entry, selling up above 21, getting back in above 21, and then selling above 22. But I think I hesitated a little bit in there. Got to be a little quicker the moment it starts to make that move to just jump in quickly. Anyhow, it looks like PLRZ had some trouble here coming up. And the 5-minute pullback did not hold up here at this level. We broke down for new lows.
EXOD.
I might try to dip if it comes down. Maybe we can get a range. I'd hope for a range here.
XCH.
CGTX. How are we doing? What's that low? 60? Not low enough. CGTX. I can't believe I took so long to pull up PLRZ, man. Or PLRZ. It was called out so early, and I had it on the list, the extended list, but you know, this one, you know, this is the type of stock you're watching early. Nice move. Eight and 19 seconds.
NVNI.
PLRZ still is interesting. What a month this has been. I mean, this has been an insane month. I'm flat in the month. This is ridiculous.
EXOD.
PLRZ. Yeah, and it's trying. Yeah, I did like that lower consolidation again, but I wanted to retest it a low. It held up high, higher low. If this NUKK can move well and go to 30 bucks, we can have something special here. No fear, no hesitation. Just straight pace and power. We accept the risk always. 22.78. We got about 10 seconds. Here we go.
NUKK.
Dip, 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 dip. Can we get a dip? 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 No freaking dip. Great, lovely. Ah, man. There wasn't a lot of selling on the open, but you know, it's kind of like a toss up if it's going to go up or down.
HTLN.
And that's the pullback. Come on, man. Fucking stupid as hell. Bro, really? Unbelievable. Alright, moving on. Coming back to PLRC. What are we doing? I don't know. That dip didn't really look trustworthy, but it held up. It's a tight micro in there, right? Baby pullback.
NUKK.
Son of a gun, man. PLRC, big levels here. Can we hold the whole dollar and keep trying? No, we cannot. 92. Man, if we could have just seen the proper entries there, it just played out in a bit of a wacky way. That was a little harder to get the trades. But you know, again,
HCH.
if you're super aggressive there, the moment there's no selling and it opens up sideways with like a little bit of churn, you could take it. There's an entry there. The risk is you do buy the open of the resumption, but then the dip comes and you get caught in the flush down. What was that low? 92? Oh, not good. Maybe hit the bids here. Ah, nope, nope. Taking it flat. Yeah, too much weakness here. Lows. The 5-minute candle to make the new high could be interesting.
NVNR.
26.62. Resumption.
NVNR.
0430 for resumption. It definitely, hopefully we can see a dip if this thing resumes higher. PLRZ, PLRZ. It's an instant rejection. Oh, it's still kind of slingshotted. Okay. Lower probably better here though. But getting in the proper low of the range. The resumption is coming up soon. Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't bad, but I didn't get a chance to get in there with the spreads. So let's see, 26, 20 seconds. We're at 26.62. Maybe 10 minutes. Looks like it might be 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. PLRZ is still like, but again, we got to get over this 410 level here. About 3 minutes for NUKK, about 3 minutes. Only taking this out early because I'm in high. Just taking a couple cents, but if I can get a proper entry, I can give it a little bit of time.
NVNO. EXOD.
This chart looks good for a breakout at some point. PLRZ. if we can keep holding up. We need the slingshot. I'll try it again. Tight stop. What's the resumption? A minute. About a minute for the resumption. Uh, I want to give this position time here, so I'm gonna have to look away. As long as it doesn't flush down me trading this other stock. Let's see how we do here. 30 seconds to resumption. It's definitely taking on a risk to look away, but 20 seconds to resumption. 10 seconds, or 26.62. 26.62, 5, 4. Dip, 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 dip.
NV in on.
All right, back to green. It's halting up at 30.76. We need to try for the 5-minute candle here to make the new high. Red 3K to flat. Red 3K to flat. Can we hold up high here? Trailing stop on this position. Couple cents trailing stop. And you know, some of the sells was early there. We still didn't really get up over 4. You know, 410, the high of the range. We'll see how it does. Maybe it holds up again.
XCH.
NUKK, there's going to be a drop at some point. But the question is where. These fills, boy.
EXOD.
Good sell. We're back down. Fills are unforgiven here for sure. But that's okay. Not a problem. $25.08 for NUKK. Oh, wow. It's back up again. There's a wall there. This thing on the bids are just so jumpy, like the bids are dropping out. I think that this stock can go if we get the 5-minute candle to make a new high, but it's just so jumpy in the area. Risk definitely higher than what it needs to be here. KB? We're stalling out, stalling out, stalling out. $25.08. We got about 40 seconds to resumption.
NV in off.
And UKK.
NV in off.
Oh shit, I missed the
NKK.
resumption. Crap. Oh, I got carried away right there. Anyhow, we could see big drops. No, it held up 30 there. Wow. Okay, here's the big drop, 28. You know a pullback is coming at some point. No, 85. I'm hoping we can get the 5-minute candle to make a new high here. Maybe I'll get another chance yet.
XCH. XCH.
PLRZ, bust a move here. Anytime now.
EXOD.
Oh, there's a seller. Oh, it broke. Crap. Can we hold? Damn it, man. I kind of over traded that area a little too much. I didn't notice there's a 100K seller there the entire time. Holy shit. Threw me off a little bit, but there. Holy smokes. Well, that's part of the deal. Jeez. Bro, come on. Did we get back to flat already too? Maybe we did. Thanks. I'm down to. Oh, that is just not cool. What are you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the false breakout come for you? Where did I get filled? 19? 14? Out at 77. LITM getting called out. Bro, I waited for that breakout patiently, man. The candlestick, the arrangement, everything said to me, hey, this thing can make a move. Here I am getting cooked. Good call out, Big Steve. Appreciate it. 30, 42 for resumption. 63. Seven. Bro, can we bottom already? Like, what's going on? Woo! Oh my gosh, wow, that's a great trade. I don't know if I got the fill though. It's a whole nother story. Can we continue? Right back down. $30.42 for NUKK.
NCEW.
We're at 28.80.
NUKK.
Oh, I didn't play to give me that high fill, boy. That was such a good trade. Such a good trade. Okay, cool. 26.62.
NVNI.
Try to insta-buy the lower resumption. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, 26. It's under stress. It's under stress. It's under stress. Boy, look at these. Gosh. Dude, what's happening? What is happening today? What is happening today? We could see somewhat of a red to green here. It's possible. Well, it's pretty decent. Hopefully gets halted up. But man, this is insane. The way how these freaking stocks are playing out. And then in there, there's no micro, just, kind of straight up. There's just a hesitation at like 27.19 or 26.19. Part of me feels like I just need to just hit the buy button, which I'm not gonna just do that, but it's like ridiculous. Craziness. LITM, how are we doing? This stock, you gotta watch out for those massive dips. $392, 58. It's for a penny stock, jeez. Can we get a grip? Or maybe I size down now, because goodness sakes. Bro, NUKK, man. Still flat on the day after all this trading, which is absurd. Getting that big, massive rejection on PLRZ did not help. And I was going to use 8K size again. I was like, okay, I'm going to get another chance. But, you know, my initial instinct was to hold the trade all the way through 4, but didn't really get the chance with the seller that was there. Oh, not the fill I wanted, but that's going to work out. That's going to work out. Trying again. Monstrosity of fills, but can I get another baby pullback? Baby pullback. Baby pullback. Baby pullback. Come on, come on, give us something. And there's nothing. Resistance 69. Dip, 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 dip. I might buy the highs if it doesn't dip. And I'm going to take the highs. I'm chasing it here. Can we see 72, 73? And chasing it did not pay off.
NVNR.
Come on, dip some more. Dip again, dip again, dip again, dip again, dip again. A little bit more of a dip, a little bit more of a dip. Ah, I'm way too late to that. Alright, that's okay. Okay, that's alright. Fine. NUKK 37 and something.
NVNR.
I might miss it watching this one, but it's, you know, it's whatever. Oh.
NVEW.
Ooh.
NUKK.
1920. Okay, 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 okay. Low 65. Highs at 72. They're 71. They're 71. They're 72. Can we get through the level? Time 39. We might try again. Can we hold? No? Okay. 68 for. Okay. I'll try again. It's a little high of an entry here, but trying for 72. And 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 I don't even think I got a decent fill. Perhaps retest of the lows into the new candlestick. Wow, that was instant. Oh my gosh. Oh no, that dropped. Oh crap. I thought it bounced. Wow. Jeez. Buying that level right away would have been a big loss. Goodness. So much for the retest. I didn't even what happened there didn't even register in my mind because I'm not looking at the candlestick at the time. Well, at least we're back to green, which is better than nothing. PLZE, man. PLRZ, whatever it is. Such a nice stock if you could see it early and just, lock in on it. Such a shame to be red and then get caught in the biggest flush at the end.
NV in on.
But part of the deal. I'm gonna do a rotation here just to see. On the dip for LITM, I thought it moved up to 70. That's why I didn't buy. I'm like, oh crap, I missed it. Well, I just look out and blink again, noticing, okay, it actually dropped. I don't know, like my brain didn't really register the move down.
NVEW.
Or else I could have, been trying to buy lower. PLRZ, we kind of have a low consolidation versus the highs. We got to get above 30 to look good, which can happen. And if it does, hopefully it gets halted up.
NV in off.
And LITM is, perhaps we can retest highs here. The way how this is bottoming wick, curling up here. This could become something good here again. Actually starting to pull away quickly. We might still need a pullback first. Certainly active here. Do I want to wait for a dip? I'm being ultra aggressive, which isn't great. Might want to wait for that dip in case it comes. But it is active up here. It's pretty active. $68. Definitely also a little bit more risky because of how volatile it is. It's like we're seeing a 4-cent range very calmly without a big drop. Gotta definitely watch out here. $67, $68, $67. Bit of a higher fill. Taking a couple cents.
NCEW.
Like, yeah, just the stock's looking decent right now. It's a bad fill. That was a loss? Wow. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, my fill. Ooh. Dang, anybody that got 70 there and just held out. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that's not what we want to see. There's a spread. The spread's opened up there a little bit. Too much churn. Oh, it still went. Can we retest? Can we retest? Can we retest? Can we retest? Or how am I not making more on that type of big move?
NV in on.
Over 80 is the next level. It might pull back first because it's like stalling here, hesitating. Or maybe it goes. And it's going. Oh man, the sellers. The sellers. Massive sellers up there, 80. I don't like that the level 2 doesn't show it until it literally gets to like the penny below. Like, just tough. It would be nice to see it so I can already make up my mind on how I want to take on the area. High pullback there, fairly high pullback, all things considered. Missed that dip there. Hold.
NCEW.
Oof. That did not hold. And there's a hidden buyer there too, for sure. Taking 69, tight stop. Can we reclaim? Can we reclaim? Can we reclaim? It's struggling. I'm gonna cut it. Oh, okay. Man, come on. The amount of selling right there, and there's just nothing happening. There's the trade to 74. Come on, man. Come on. That's a $700-800 trade there. Gone to the wind. And right back to 75. Wow. Man. This feels so extended now, but I'm still trying. That dip was epic, man. All right, is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Can we see over 78? Nope, I should have took the pop. Look at that. Losing trade. Come on, come on. That was a big jump there. 75 right to 78. Right back down. Sometimes you just got to take your 2 cents, you know? $500 trade became a losing trade is unacceptable. NUKK. I don't know, NUKK I think I'll just leave alone. It's holding. Oh, coming down 70. I knew I should have hit the bid there, bro. I just knew it. Certain areas I gotta just be smart. Like I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Got filled almost 2 cents higher. Alright, looks like it's having a tough time bouncing here. Can I see a bigger flush out perhaps? And it's gonna bounce like that. Great. Nowhere to get in. Well, okay. 1K off the highs, but okay. Alright, is there anything else? Or is that the morning? Bro, these days, man. Too much of a roller coaster for my liking. I gotta embrace the swings. It's part of the deal. You know, I gotta embrace the swings, I think, a little more. Because ultimately, you know, it's what's necessary if you're using big size, especially. Like, you can't be using 5K size on a stock like NUKK and think that you're not gonna get swings. Like, you're gonna be up 5 grand, you can be down 5 grand, you can be up 10 grand, you can lose 8 grand off the top. Like, that's just what it is.
XCH.
But the end result is you know, a little bigger because of the size.
XCH.
I'm gonna do a rotation here. NUKK, do I want to try it? Maybe. Maybe there's something here. But I'd really want this to all like really like go back to the retested highs. There's some gap that could be filled in here. But I'd really like to see the retest of the highs, which is, you know, all the way up here. $58.24 for resumption. I'm only paying attention to it because there's some volume and there's a bit of a gap it can fill. LITM, just a little disappointing to fumble that move down, the two dips. All right, here we go, 27.17.
NUKK.
The volume definitely seems lower, so easing off a bit. Okay. Spread is is massive. 27.84 for the high to move. I'd stop here. Alright, looks like it is coming down. Coming down. No tight pull. Well, maybe it still holds, but I'm looking for the tight pullback and reclaim of this like range here. Maybe it still holds up, but definitely a big dip. What was that, like 25.8, 25.30? I run out of mental capital and then it bottoms when I stop trying to get it. LITM not finished yet for sure.
XCH. XCH.
Perhaps time for a rotation. LITM, we'll see. Can we continue to see higher lows here? It's fighting all right. PRZO, PLRZ. So LITM, you know, it's still holding up, still trying. I'm gonna try to get a little active here again.
SEZL.
Bit of a high fill. It might come down here.
XCH. XCH.
Okay, maybe I'm not being aggressive enough. That was pretty good. What was that, 65, 64? This level here is going to be key for it to hold up again. And UKK still not finished yet.
SEZL.
The volume here is way too light. All right, I think we're slowing down here. I think the day is winding, at least not the day, they're like the early first wave of momentum. Looks like it is slowing down. Perhaps there's a second wave that might come here soon. Time to bring out the good old chair.
XCH. XCH.
Looks like it's backside of the momentum so far. Looks like it's backside of the momentum. Time to perhaps pack it up. It's a small green day, but we were red 3K to start the day. Not good. See, if we avoid going that deep in the red, we're up 4 grand right now, and it's a decent day. Instead, we're here in the slums. But all part of the deal. And UKK probably has thought, well, it's pulling back. I was gonna say maybe you could keep an eye, but yeah, I think that's gonna do it. LITM also selling off. Everything in the slums. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't do better on NUKK, especially in the first 3 minutes. It doesn't get any cleaner than that, man. It's just not being able to capitalize there. A little frustrating. Fast stores slightly green. PLRZ was the issue for me today, man. Just coming to it so late. Like if I could start this day over, I think NUKK in the first 3 minutes was great. But the moment this thing got called out, I should have switched over to it, man.
XCH.
I could have been here right at this resumption. I mean, even this move here looks like it was incredible. But I think NUKK was good, so I don't mind if I had watched that in the first 3 minutes still. The NUKK move was, let's see here. Yeah, this was pretty good. The first two candles, like just straight up.
XCH.
But when this thing got halted, I heard it on the scanner, man, and I was supposed to pull it up, but then I got like distracted right away with something else. And so missed the resumption, missed the move till like almost up here. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe I came at like 42, 43. Got green 600. And then on this false breakout candle here, on this false breakout candle, I lost like 1K plus. Or at least like 1K. Somewhere close. On the first false breakout candle, and then The second false breakout candle, I got destroyed. Waited patiently for the 5-minute candles to make the new high. It did. I was buying this candle on the way up. Took a dip that came, and the dip teleported down to 70. Stopped out 77. From in at 15, out at 70. 40-cent loss. Decent share size, you know, not good. But that's going to do it. I'm going to shut it down here. Take the green. This month is a great month so far, but a bit miserable here for me. Night and day difference versus last month. There's work to be done. Just got to continue to make adjustments and improve. And over the course of weeks and months, we'll see the difference. That's the key. That's the goal. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We got 300 people still here. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. And we're heading out. So finishing the day green, $800. I can go to full screen here, and then we'll be out. $800 green day. Locking it in, walking away. Roller coaster of a day. NUKK, bro. All right. Check out those links down below for the scanner, for the classes, and for the chat room. I'll catch you guys later. Stay safe, stay green.